Hello, family and friends. How is everyone doing today? I pray that everyone is doing well. This is Beverly Black, and I am in the kitchen today. Today, we are going to be making a buttermilk pound cake. That's right, a buttermilk pound cake. So stay tuned so you can see how I make a buttermilk pound cake. The ingredients for the buttermilk pound cake is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, which is 1 stick, a 1/2 cup of shortening, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And I already have my 1 stick of butter in the mixer. And I'm going to add the 1/2 cup of shortening, which I am using Crisco today. So we're going to put this 1/2 cup of shortening in here. Then we're going to mix it together. And then we will add the 2 cups of sugar and mix that until fluffy. Now we're going to add the 2 cups of granulated sugar. We will mix this until fluffy, about 5 to 6 minutes. And then as it mixes up, scrape the sides of the bowl a couple of times to get all that mixture incorporated together. Now we're ready to start adding the 4 eggs, one at a time, and mix after each egg. These are fresh eggs, and they are come out a little bit more yellow. Now we're going to clean off the sides, and we're getting ready to add the flour mixture. We're going to add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. This is the lemon. Now the vanilla. We're going to mix this up. Now we're going to start adding the flour, the all-purpose flour. Oh, I forgot. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees, 325. We're going to start with the flour mixture, and I have sifted the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, baking powder, and salt together. You start with the flour, then buttermilk, and end with the flour. Let this down so I can pour the flour in here. I didn't put my shield on today. Okay. Get this off the top here. And this is the last that we have to do. And it get mixed up well, and we get ready to put it in the box pan. Clean off these sides. The cake is ready to go in the oven. We will bake it for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until a toothpick goes in and come out clean. I'll see you back when the cake is done. Here's the cake with the glaze on it. She is done. I'm gonna cut a slice so you can see it. Here is the buttermilk pound cake. I would like to thank everyone for coming and watching this video today. I want you to remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Everyone be blessed and prosperous.